Socializing 89. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the nightlife culture found in different societies. A narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 701, advises that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, disliked sleeping before performing the late evening obligatory prayer and disliked engaging in conversation after performing it. Even though it is not prohibited to sleep before the late evening obligatory prayer, it is far better and safer to offer it first, as sleeping before it could cause one to sleep past its time. In addition, even if one manages to wake up, the laziness caused by sleep may prevent them from fully concentrating in it, thereby reducing their reward. Finally, it is best to offer it and all the rest of the obligatory prayers as soon as they happen, as this is one of the most beloved righteous deeds to Allah, the Exalted, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 612. And behaving in this manner is a sign of a true believer. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 103.
Indeed, prayer has been decreed upon the believers a decree of specified times.
Unfortunately, it has become a widely practiced custom, especially amongst Asian Muslims, to hold worldly gatherings and conversations after they have performed the obligatory late evening prayer. Even though this is not prohibited, yet it often leads to vain speech, which is a waste of time. This will be a great regret for them on Judgment Day, especially when they observe the reward given to those who utilize their resources correctly. It often leads to sins such as gossiping, backbiting and slandering. And even if one is protected from this, staying up in the evening unnecessarily will only make them more tired, thereby making it harder for them to wake up and perform the obligatory dawn prayer correctly. This fatigue is often the reason why many Muslims do not offer the obligatory dawn prayer at the mosque with congregation. This fatigue can also prevent one from offering the night voluntary prayer, which is the best prayer after the obligatory prayers, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 1614. And the voluntary night prayer is a firmly established tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.